Angie, interior designer from the Interior Lab. So this is my homeowner, Tom and Nanda.
Hello, how's it going?
The Interior Lab was recommended to us by Qanvast. I did a lot of research on the internet. I read many reviews by other homeowners. The Interior Lab company has many good reviews. So that persuaded me to actually approach the Interior Lab as one of our, the choices.
Yeah. So original idea is
Victorian design, but from the discussion with Angie, we found out it would be difficult to maintain Victorian style, and Angie suggested Muji theme, and then maybe a mix with the Scandi theme. So this is something that we both like a lot, and then we went for it. There were some changes in designs and things like that, but I think the actual renovation took around 1 month plus. Right, around it. And we added a few more things along the way as well, and Angie has been quite flexible for it. I did change my mind a few times. I like almost all parts of the house.
Okay,
because, but I do like my son's room, especially the wall, how the wall is painted.
Mine will be my study room, man cave.
We really want a lot of cabinet to store documents, right? Important documents.
I told her I will have some toys that I want to put as a display.
I think service has been quick. There are a few minor repairs that needs to be done, but all this has been accommodated very quickly, so no problem with that as well. The workmanship is good. I think the carpenter, he seems to be very experienced. We trust him, and I'm quite happy with my home, and I'm quite happy with the service that I get. I think that Angie is someone who I can talk easily.
So yes, we find that the Interior Lab is trustworthy,
and then
reliable.
We just feel confident that this is a company that we can trust in the quality. Yeah. So that I really like it. So I would recommend because of this reason.